Mathematics has always been used in biology for the biggest discoveries. Crick and Watson used mathematics to discover the structure of DNA. Darwin's ideas are essentially very mathematical. I think we're going back to the roots of biology, actually.
In the last 10 to 15 years, biology has gotten tremendously more quantitative. Computers have gotten so cheap and fast, so the biologists are starting to drown in all this data that they're collecting.
The thing that mathematics did so well for physics is that it gave people a way not only to describe what they were observing and to quantify what they were observing, but also to make quantitative, testable predictions that could be experimentally verified or falsified. I believe that what we need now is a same sort of approach to biology.
The purpose of the NSF-Simons Center for Quantitative Biology is to do really great science and make great discoveries. We're going to be like Johnny Appleseed in a way by enhancing this application of mathematics to studying biology, not only in the Midwest, but ultimately nationally.
I come from this tradition in physics where we walk into other people's labs and then inspire new questions. What I've been doing is to focus on a system that is very well understood, which is the fruit fly. And we collect thousands of images. And we focus on one organ, the wing, and then ask what kinds of variants can be produced by the developmental process.
As a physicist, I'm very interested in quantification. When well done, it can be powerful. The eye of the fly is this really beautiful, complex thing. It's almost like a perfect lattice. You can take photographs of this eye with a microscope as it's developing. And the thing that is really tough is that you have to find each one of the cells in that photograph. And so you can imagine a poor graduate student plotting thousands of little circles in an image. So one of the first things that we decided to do was writing code to make the circles by itself in the computer.
One of the things that the center has been doing really well is bringing together biologists and mathematicians and just getting us talking to one another. I have a much better sense of all of the really exciting developmental biology research at Northwestern, and I can start to see ways in which my expertise can connect with theirs.
All that we have learned is growing and growing, and you cannot become an expert on everything. That is the thing that is so rewarding about the center, is that you are learning from the best.
I hope that the NSF-Simons Center for Quantitative Biology is going to generate a number of discoveries and papers, because the people here are super talented, and I think that we're working on interesting problems, and so it's just a matter of being lucky.